Ice machines installed at altitudes greater than 2,000 feet above sea level will require an internal adjustment to the bin thermostat to avoid overfilling the bin with ice. Disconnect power or unplug the machine. To access the bin thermostat, remove the front access panel. Locate and remove the bin thermostat by removing both screws securing it to the machine. Inside the bin thermostat, locate the adjustment screw. Using a 1/16" L-shaped hex key, align the key to start in the 12 o'clock position. Rotate the hex key counterclockwise to the desired altitude adjustment. This bin thermostat will be adjusted for an altitude of 10,000 feet, turning the hex key to the 8 o'clock position. Once adjusted properly, for the altitude of the installation location, reinstall the bin thermostat in its original position. Reinstall the lower access panel, plug the machine back in, and then turn on the machine to resume ice making. If recalibration is needed due to a prior adjustment, refer to the service manual.